Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Bolt Drivers app step by step. So if you're new to Bolt or just getting started as a driver, this will help you understand everything you need to know to start driving with confidence. First things first, once you've downloaded the Bolt Drivers app and signed in with your driver account, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where you can toggle yourself online or offline. When you're offline, you won't receive ride requests. And when you slide to go online, the app starts searching for passengers nearby. Always make sure your internet connection and GPS are strong because the app relies on both to match you with riders. Now let's talk about accepting rides. When a passenger requests a trip, a notification will pop up with their pickup location, estimated distance, and sometimes the fare. You have a few seconds to accept or decline. If you accept, the app will immediately give you directions to the passenger's pickup point. Navigation is built into the app, but you can also connect it to Google Maps or Waze if you prefer. When you arrive at the pickup location, you'll see a button to confirm that you've arrived. Once the rider gets in, simply slide to Start Trip and follow the navigation to their drop-off point. During the trip, the app tracks everything for you, so you don't need to worry about calculating fares or handling cash, unless the passenger specifically requests to pay in cash. Most of the time, payments are handled directly through the app, and you'll see your balance update after each ride. At the end of the trip, you'll slide to complete it, and both you and the passenger will have a chance to rate each other. Keeping a high rating is important on Bolt, as it helps you get more rides and stay in good standing. Another key feature in the Bolt Drivers app is the Earnings section. Here you can track your daily and weekly income, including any bonuses or incentives Bolt is offering in your area. You'll also see your trip history, so you can go back and review completed rides. If cash payments are enabled, you'll see those listed too, and you'll know exactly how much you need to pay back to Bolt from your cash rides when payouts happen. Now let's go over some settings that are helpful. In the app's menu, you can update your profile, upload new documents if your license or insurance is expiring, and even contact support directly through chat if you run into problems. You can also set your preferred navigation app, manage notifications, and check for updates to make sure the app runs smoothly. Finally, let's talk about safety and efficiency. The Bolt Drivers app has built-in safety features, including an SOS button in some regions that connects you to emergency assistance. Always verify the passenger's name before starting a ride, and make sure you follow the navigation to avoid disputes. Using the in-app navigation also helps Bolt track your trip accurately in case there are issues. To maximize efficiency, try to position yourself in high-demand areas during peak hours because the app uses demand and supply to send requests. So to sum it up, go online when you're ready, accept requests quickly, follow the navigation, complete the trip, and track your earnings in the app. Once you get comfortable, the Bolt Drivers app becomes second nature, and it's designed to keep things simple so you can focus on driving. That's the full guide on how to use the Bolt Drivers app. Subscribe the channel for more videos.